What's the Ayurvedic diet for high blood pressure? High blood pressure or hypertension is a major health concern worldwide. According to the World Health Organization, over 1 billion people suffer from high blood pressure, and it causes around 7.5 million deaths each year. In the United States alone, nearly half of adults have high blood pressure, and only about 1/4 of them have it under control. High blood pressure can lead to serious health problems like heart attacks, strokes, and kidney disease. It's essential to manage and treat high blood pressure effectively to maintain good health. In this video, we shall look at the key principles and specific foods in the Ayurvedic diet for high blood pressure. Watch until the end for lifestyle tips to complement the Ayurvedic diet. Understanding the Ayurvedic diet for high blood pressure. Ayurveda is a traditional system of medicine from India that has been around for over 3,000 years. It focuses on balancing the body, mind, and spirit to promote overall health. Ayurveda uses a holistic approach, including diet, herbal remedies, yoga, and lifestyle changes to treat various conditions, including high blood pressure. Key principles of the Ayurvedic diet. 1. Balance your doshas. Ayurveda believes that each person has a unique constitution made up of 3 doshas, vata, pitta, and kapha. High blood pressure is often associated with an imbalance in the pitta dosha. The Ayurvedic diet aims to balance these doshas through specific food choices. 2. Eat fresh and natural foods. The Ayurvedic diet emphasizes eating fresh, whole foods that are minimally processed. This includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and low-fat dairy products. Avoiding processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats is crucial. 3. Reduce salt intake. Excessive salt can raise blood pressure. Ayurveda recommends limiting salt intake and using herbs and spices to flavor food instead. Herbs like basil, cilantro, and parsley can add flavor without the need for extra salt. 4. Include heart-healthy foods. Some foods are particularly beneficial for heart health. These include garlic, known for its ability to lower blood pressure. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties and supports heart health. Olive oil, a healthy fat that can help reduce blood pressure. Specific foods in the Ayurvedic diet for high blood pressure. 1. Fruits and vegetables. Fresh fruits and vegetables are vital in the Ayurvedic diet. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help reduce blood pressure. Berries, leafy greens, and citrus fruits are particularly beneficial. 2. Whole grains. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats are recommended. They provide essential nutrients and help maintain stable blood sugar levels, which can help manage blood pressure. 3. Low-fat dairy. Low-fat or fat-free dairy products such as yogurt and milk are good sources of calcium and protein without the added fat that can contribute to high blood pressure. 4. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, flax seeds, and chia seeds are excellent sources of healthy fats and fiber. They can help lower blood pressure and improve heart health. 5. Herbal teas. Herbal teas like hibiscus tea can be beneficial for lowering blood pressure. They provide hydration and contain compounds that support cardiovascular health. Lifestyle tips to complement the Ayurvedic diet. 1. Regular exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity, such as walking, yoga, or swimming, can help lower blood pressure and improve overall health. 2. Stress management. Stress is a significant contributor to high blood pressure. Practices like meditation, deep breathing exercises, and yoga can help reduce stress levels. 3. Adequate sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep each night. Managing high blood pressure is crucial for maintaining good health and preventing serious health problems. The Ayurvedic diet offers a holistic approach to managing high blood pressure through balanced nutrition, fresh and natural foods, and heart-healthy choices. By incorporating these dietary principles and lifestyle changes, you can take proactive steps to lower your blood pressure and improve your overall well-being. Always consult with a healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have high blood pressure. If you enjoyed this video, please follow our channel to keep up with our newest content.